Guys, look what I got. Hey guys, my name is Crownblasian. Welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you guys do that. But today we are unboxing my little Crayon case haul, and using this blush binder to create this fire look right here. So of course, you know the drill. Just stay tuned, and if you don't know the drill, just sit down. As I said, we're here for the Crayon case unboxing. I am so excited because I waited forever to do this unboxing. Only because at one point in time I was trying to get my hands on the matte book Crayon case. I don't remember what it's called. I'm not gonna remember. And every time that she restocked, I didn't want to just get the palette, so I was just like, okay, let me wait. And then she announced she was releasing the then she super announced that she was releasing the blush binder, and I'm like, girl, I need that. First of all, it's so convenient as a makeup artist. Okay, let me show you guys. Well, first of all, this is my box. She has very cute packaging for the inside of the box. Outside looks like a plain old box. Okay, so as a makeup artist, or even as a makeup entrepreneur, a makeup enthusiast, a makeup lover, this is adorable. Like, it is a binder. Obviously, this is a Crayon case. This is the blush binder. Okay. Page 1. Y'all, page 1. Okay, do you guys see these colors? The size of these pans? Okay, page 2. What? Page 3. Y'all, now when I tell you I heard about it, I knew I needed it, so I got this. That was my main thing, and then I bought a bunch of other goodies. So let's go into the other things that I bought. Oh my god, I love this so much. It's so cute. I love her whole theme. I think I've said this before on my channel. If you're new, obviously you don't know that. But I love themed makeup lines, brands, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so I did take this out already because I wanted to see, but it came in a calculator box like this, and it's 3 pairs of lashes. And y'all, these lashes are fire. Like, they are really cute. They are a little bit long for my taste, but I think I'll be all right. Okay. I'm gonna put that aside. Not even gonna try to put it back in there. So I also bought, actually don't know what this is. It's been a while, and I'm trying to catch up on my filming, so I'm finally doing this. This is the lip color called Marie. I think this is a matte liquid lippy. Yep, it's like a nude shade. I'll swatch it right here for you guys. Woohoo! And it was on sale as well because she is doing she's revamping her packaging, I believe that's what she said. She held this sale. So I did get a couple goodies on sale too. I can't tell you guys exact prices. I don't remember. And my shipping thing does say the prices. So I got this for $6. The blush binder was $45.99. I got a pack of makeup wipes because I've heard that these makeup wipes are the bomb. So I got these. These were $6. The lashes were $20 for three pairs of lashes. I got me some setting powder. This is the letter R. It's chalk dust setting powder. Like, it's all themed, so I love it. The setting powder was $20. I've heard good things about it, but I don't know if it's $20 worth. But I usually buy Laura Miss Mercier and Dermablend. So price range wise, it's right up there where I spend. And then I got 2 concealers. This is the number 15 and the number 5. So number 15 and 5, they were $5 each. I got 3, and this is the number 17. Still $5 each. Now, on the website, I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but it was really hard to tell the color, like, of the middle of the crayon highlighter. So, and the tops obviously are colored. So at first I thought they were color pigment like concealers. I had to actually get on YouTube and look up a video of all the shades being swatched. I can't remember which video I watched, but if I find the video, I will link it in my description box below. And then I got the contortion notebook. It was on sale, I remember that. So I got this for $8 because I'm pretty sure she's revamping this as well. And I got this lipstick from her. It's called Presidential, right? Y'all, it's a navy blue. So maybe we'll use this today too, because look at this blue. Look at that blue. So that was my little box, my little haul from the Crayon case. Let's put this away and let's create a look using the blush binder. Yes, it's a blush binder, but your girl is about to do a full look, well, full eyes, and then use the rest of the items on my face today as well. Okay, I'm gonna create one eye off camera and I'll be back. I want to let you guys know I watched Love and Hip Hop before I found out she was the owner. And I don't know how I never put two and two together, like a dummy. And I've been following her on Instagram for the longest. Like, weird. Anyways, okay, let's get into this look. I don't know what happened, but it ain't done. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did on this eye. Okay, so for the base on this eye, I used the number 5 in their highlighter concealer, and the consistency for this is really good. So what the concealer on the bottle like is see-through, so you can see the color when you order it, but online, I'm telling you guys, I had a hard time ordering. I don't know if you did. If you did, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, so the base is that, and we're just gonna smooth it out. Then I went into my blush binder onto the second page, and for this look, I basically used all 4 shades right here. So I'm gonna start on my lower brow bone. I'm gonna start with this red right here and blend it out. Guys, this formula is so smooth. I'm not even being dramatic. No, I'm not a crayon cutie yet. But y'all, the formula on this is so smooth. It's like butter. That's the best way I like to compare formulas, is to butter, because this is smooth. Once the red is blended out the way you like, you're going to take a little bit of a denser brush and you're going to go in with the shade right here and here and deepen that color. Taking a different blending brush, I'm going to blend out that shade. Now that I have it as blended as I like, I'm going to go ahead and take that same dense brush and I'm going to bring that shade into my outer corner and go into the darker shade under it and do the same thing. Then I'm going to take that same concealer that we used as a base, the shade number 7, put it a little bit on the back of my hand and fill in that area we just cut out. Once I feel like the base for my cut crease is nice and smooth the way I want it, I'm going to go ahead and take that dense brush and blend in these outer corners again. Then I'm going to take a flat brush. This is the Morphe M167 brush. I didn't tell you guys the name of the other brushes because I actually don't know them. They're just like cheap brushes I got in like Ipsy bags and stuff like that. So I'm going to go into this red shade right here and go ahead and place it in the middle of my lid. Then I'm going to take that blending brush we used for the dark greening purple shade, the shade right here and right here. And I'm going to go ahead and blend these edges into each other nice and softly, just so it looks like the colors are melting into each other. Now for the inner corner of my eye, I went into this bottom right hand shade here and I packed it right on with a flat brush. Okay guys, so this is where we are right now. Obviously I'm going to add liner to match like this eye, and I'm gonna do my face using some of these products I got from my Crayon case haul, and we'll be right back to chit chat. So don't move. So what do you guys think? This is the final look. I fell in love with this look. So I used a contour kit. I used a contour kit from the Crayon case. It's really good pigment, very nice, and matches my skin tone very well. So that is going to be added to my everyday use. And then this blush binder, y'all, I think I'm in love with it because obviously I used it on my eyes and it's just so smooth. Like, it was just so easy to work with. If you don't have the blush binder yet, and if it's not sold out, y'all better go grab it. I put on the lashes. I put on that first pair. And these are that. I went in on my waterline with this purple right here, and then this red right here. And then my blush, I also, if you guys can see it on camera, I know my highlight is a crazy popping, but I used this for the blush for this look. And then I put on this lipstick from them. This is in the shade Marie that we were talking about in the beginning. This shirt, the straps, like, will not stay up. They're driving me crazy. Okay, so lashes, eyes, lips, contour. I think that's all I got from the Crayon case today, right? I did use some glitter to add to my liner, but obviously that didn't come from the Crayon case, and I hope she does add glitter one day. Oh, the setting powder. It's so finely milled. I think I found me a new setting powder, guys, and I got the perfect shade. I told you guys it was a little hard to shade match online, not just with the concealer, but with the powders as well. But if you guys ever go on the Crayon case's Instagram, a lot of people are like, she has a lot of Crayon cuties, so you get your answers, you get your questions answered very quickly. So I don't have to worry about that. That's how I chose this setting powder, actually. I guess that's it. Thank you for tuning in, watching me unbox my Crayon case haul and the reveal of the blush binder on my channel. If you guys like this look, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget that I have been way more active on Facebook and Instagram, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on both pages. I'll leave the information there. And let's see, did you subscribe to my channel? Have you caught up on all my videos? You don't have to catch up on my videos if you just ring that notification bell. And let's see, hit all notifications. YouTube will let you know when I upload a new video. Then you don't have to worry about missing anything at all. Just saying. All right, guys, I guess that's it for this video. Until next time, your girl is out.